video is about the demonstration of our checkweigher. First, this is the product, and this one is a cardboard, 10 gram. First, we will check the static weight here first. You can see 98.01 gram, and another one, this cardboard here, 10 gram. This is the static check weight, and then we will demonstrate the dynamic one. First, this is an OK product. We will run through the belt. It passed, it's OK. And then you can see the pass. And then we will add this 10 gram on this product. We run through the belt. Reject, because it's overweight. You can also see the touch screen here is up, means overweight, so it will reject.